Inventory voucher entry for alternate units. In inventory voucher, you may enter quantity in base unit and rate in base or in alternate unit. The unit at which the rate is entered is called the rate unit. Quantity. In inventory voucher, the base unit may be entered at quantity field. The equivalent quantity in alternate unit would be displayed in parentheses just below the base quantity as per the conversion factor specified in the item master. To specify the unit for the quantity entered, type the quantity and then type the first letter or letters of the unit. For example, to enter 5 meters, type 5m. To enter 2 rolls, type 2r. If the base and alternate units name starts with same letter, type more letters to make the both distinctive. For example, PC, pieces and PK, both starting with P, type 2 PK, 5 PC, etc. Enter quantity in base unit. Specify the base unit. The computed quantity in alternate unit would be displayed in parentheses as per conversion factor specified in the item master. If you attempt to enter quantity in alternate unit, select alternate unit at quantity column. Tally will instantly replace it with the equivalent quantity in base unit as per the conversion factor and show at quantity field. The quantity entered in alternate unit would be shown below in parentheses. Rate. You may enter in rate in either unit. Amount. The value computed as per rate unit specified. So if the rate in both units does not correspond as per conversion factor, differences will result. Normally, the price of larger unit is comparatively lower than the smaller unit. For example, rupees 300 per roll or 25 meters. A roll of 25 meters, rupees 13 per meter. Keeping in mind that you enter quantity in base unit only, equivalent quantity in alternate unit will be displayed for info. You should decide the base unit and alternate unit. There is no hard and fast rule that base unit should be larger or smaller, but computation will be simpler when smaller unit is base unit. You can have in any way as convenient to you. If you sell mostly in meters, and then meters should be base unit and rolls should be alternate unit with relationship as 1 meter is equal to 0.04 rolls. Remember to set sufficient places of decimals for larger unit to avoid errors due to fractions. The quantity is to be entered in main unit while rate may be entered in alternate unit. The value is computed as per rate unit and the quantity in the corresponding rate unit.